my dear students. Let us begin integers chapter from that exercise 1.3. Fifth question. Find the product. You have to find the product. Then they are asking you using suitable properties. As you all learned the commutative property, associative property, distributive property, closure property. Those properties now you have to apply. If you apply, it is very much helpful to solve the problem. So let us find the product. Just observe the question. If you are observing the question, what you can find out in the question? Observe that 48 is repeated. So 48 is repeated. So it is a common 48 and 48. Let us take out that common minus 48. If you take out the common, then 26, 8, then we are getting plus symbol. 26 plus, then minus 36, then you put the bracket. Why I took 48 common? Because it is applied, we can use by using which properties? By using distributive property. By using distributive property. By seeing that you can understand that distributive property. So by using that you can easily do it that. Minus 48 you have taken outside. So minus 48, then you 26 minus 36 plus minus become minus. So what you are going to get? 26 minus 36, you are going to get the answer minus 10. 48 into minus 10. Whenever to remove the bracket, you have to multiply that. So you are going to get 480. The answer is 480. Then minus minus become plus. So by using which property you have done? By using distributive property. How you come to know distributive property? Because 48 is repeated with the both. Now we have found the product, that is 480. Now let us see here. This is just the given like this. So which form you can apply? Either you can apply commutative or you can apply the associative. As I told you, associative, once 8 into 53 you can do it, then you can. So as by using, you first only if you want you write that by using associative property. Which property? By using associative property. Why? Hope you understood that there are three. So you can make it a pair. In the associative property, how will you do? A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. So by using this, either first you do 8 into 53 into minus 125. Let us multiply first this. 8 3s are 24. 2 8 5s are 40 plus 424 into. Or you can by easy method, if you are getting the big number, so you can do it as it is also. First if you multiply 825. 8 into 125, if you multiply, what you are going to get? You are going to get the 1000. 8 5s are 44, 8 2s are 16 plus 4, 20, 8 1s are 8. So you are going to get 1000. So by just you multiply minus 1000 into 53. First I multiplied 8 and 125. Why I multiplied 8 and 125? To make it your multiplication easier. Then you can, otherwise you can do it, at the end you will get the same answer, but you will get the, you want to spend more time to solve it. So when you got the 0, it is very easy to multiply. 53 ones are 53. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So 53,000. But which one? When opposite symbols are there, we have to use minus 53,000. Hope you understood. Why it is associative property also you understood. Either you can use the commutative, or instead of that don't make it complicated. 3 are there, so make it the pair and you do it. So you will get minus 53,000. Let us go to the next question. Here also you observe that minus 10. Everywhere it is what it is? Multiplication only. So how will you do it? By using the commutative property A into B. By using there is no condition, you have to use only two integers. So either it might be a more than 2 also. Now by using commutative property A into B is equal to B into A. Actually your commutative property. Or you can say that A into B, B into C in the same way, or you can C into B into A. You will get the same. And if you want once more I will write A into B into C is equal to C into B into A. If you change the order also, you are going to get the same answer. So let us start. 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. How will you do? As I told you, to get 0 it is very easy. So let us take first this. Then you will get the 0. Minus become plus. 25 fours are 100. 25 fours are 100 into minus 10. Now for example 15 into 100 tens are 1000 plus minus it become minus. So you are going to get 15 ones are 15 0 0 15,000. What is the answer? 15,000. But the symbol, when opposite symbols are there, you have to put negative. So the answer is minus 15,000. What is the answer? Minus 15,000 is the answer. Hope you understood. So which property we have used here? By using commutative property. Let us go to the next one. Minus 41 into 100. Here which property will you use? As I taught you how to make the multiplication easier. Here also we can use that by using distributive property. By using distributive property. Why I should use distributive property? You observe the question carefully. Then it makes your work also easy. It makes your work also easy. Minus 41 into, instead of this 100, you can take it as 100 plus 2. Writing 102, 100 and plus 2. Both are same. So now you can use the distributive property. Minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. So you will get the answer. What you are going to get? Minus 4100. 41 ones are 41, 2 zeros are there. Plus for 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, but still it is having minus 82. So these both if you add it, you are going to get, I am going to write here 41,000, 4100, it is minus, then again minus 82. At the end you are going to get minus 4182. Why? Because when both symbols are same, we have to add it. For the answer we have to put negative. So what is the answer? Minus 4182 is the answer. Hope you understood why I use distributive property. Because here 102 is there, I can split the 102. Already in the earlier video I have told you this makes your multiplication easier. Then you have to do the same. This will be by using distributive property. Let us go to the next question. E question. In the E question you just observe that 625, it is repeated. It is repeated. So let us, which property you can use it? You can use it distributive.